what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review of this sofa love seat that I just put together, and my initial reaction just after assembling it is that this couch is awesome. Really nice suede color, and one of the things I really like is the tufting or the stitching, right? That kind of go in that diagonal sort of orientation. I think that adds like some real pop, some real flavor, some real personality, I guess you could say, to this couch. Something else that gives it its personality is its splayed legs. So it definitely has that mid-century modern type of feel to it. So reclining it is actually pretty easy as well. All you do is you slightly move it forward like this, hear the click, and then you release all the way back, right? And then you would do that for the other one as well. And then you can have sort of a recliner right there. And then when you want to bring it up, same thing. All you do is lift it forward. You're gonna hear a click. And there you go. Now for the assembly, it was super easy. First of all, they only use one type of bolt, right? So you're not gonna be, trying to figure out which bolt goes where. There's only used one type of bolt. They do provide an Allen key. And the assembly steps are basically this. You turn the couch seats kind of on its face. You put the side arms in, and then you literally just bolt them in. So you can use your Allen key. I did use a drill, which made the process a lot easier. And then once that's done, you fold the flaps up, right? And then you just screw in the feet, and then you're complete. And so this took me all about, I want to say maybe 10 minutes. So altogether, I really like this particular Loveseat sofa set. You can see it's very easy to function. It's got the nice splayed wooden legs that give it that mid-century modern appeal. It's got the nice stitching on the backrest. The assembly process didn't take very long at all about 15 minutes or so. Not a lot of steps, not a lot of parts and pieces. You only need an Allen key to put it together. It definitely has my stamp of approval. I highly recommend the sofa Loveseat. So yeah, go ahead and check it out.